Prestige Global aims to create a kitchen concept that is unique while conjuring a sense of peacefulness. For this gourmet kitchen, we took inspiration from the sense of Zen that you get in a bamboo forest or in a Japanese garden. The focal point here is the kitchen island. Its rock-like form references the design of a Japanese Zen garden. Prestige Global have selected two designs from Florim stone for this kitchen. The marble bridge white in glossy finish and the metal burnish in matte finish.
In this design concept, the kitchen becomes the heart of the home. This culinary space connects three multi-generational houses, which are surrounded by terrace gardens. We designed the kitchen and the bar in an L-shaped configuration that looks out to the beautiful views of the tropical garden. For this project, we selected porcelain slabs from Florim stone, specifically the stone brown and stone noir. We are drawn to their subtle yet expressive grain and layered tonality, and how the slabs resemble the textures and tones found on natural stones. I appreciate the resourcefulness of the team in Hafary. We would come up with a concept or idea of certain tiles and texture, and they will be able to propose a selection for our consideration.
We believe that design should be a blend of function, comfort, lifestyle, and visual attraction, all tailored to reflect the owner's personality. We took inspiration from two contrasting scenes, a beautiful bar lounge indoor matched with a lively barbecue store. The goal is to create a dynamic and versatile space where these two different moods can exist and integrate seamlessly, whether it's day or night. The large format slabs from Hafary are a perfect fit for the concept, as these materials are both versatile and suitable for outdoor use. At the bar area, it is also used on its countertop with a waterfall edge. This indoor bar flaunts glossy Yamuna slabs from Florim stone to create a sophisticated look. It's been a rewarding journey working with Hafary. Their diverse tile selection and large format slabs has enabled me to create distinctive designs, and they have always been delivering high quality and excellent service that never disappoint.